Want to make personalized wooden hangers right at home? This is Swati with Cricut, and in this video, I'll show you how to cut basswood with the Cricut Maker 3 using knife blade to create stylish and sturdy hangers, perfect for gifts, boutiques or small businesses. Today we'll be using Cricut Maker 3 knife blade, which comes with the housing, Cricut Basswood, Cricut strong grip tape or painter's tape to adhere the basswood to the mat, brayer tool, Cricut strong grip mat, which is the purple mat, and Cricut Design Space software. Let's hop into Design Space, head to projects, search for knife blade projects or go to images and select an image of your choice. Let's select hanger. I like this. I resized it. Once happy with design, click Make It. Select On Mat option. Connect to Maker 3 and set the base material to basswood. Load the knife blade in clamp B. Place your basswood on a strong grip mat and press down firmly using a brayer. Tape all four sides to keep it secure during long cuts. Load the mat and press Go. Cricut will take multiple passes, so be patient. It could take up to 15 to 20 minutes. Once the cutting is done, gently pop the hanger out of the sheet. Here's the final piece. Resize it and use it for weddings, baby clothes, boutiques or personalized gifts. You can paint it, add a name to it, do whatever creative work you want to do and gift it to your loved ones.